Let's speak English more fluently. In today's lesson, I am going to change one word that you usually use. We are going to use a different word and you will become more fluent. Let's go. In today's lesson, we are going to change one verb that you usually use, and this new verb is going to make you sound more fluent. You will sound more like a native English speaker. Now, most people will always use the verb have. I have. So this means I possess something. I am the owner of something. So that's your possession. This is a great verb, but we are going to change it today. We are not going to use I have today. We want to sound more fluent. We want to sound like a native English speaker. In America and in Canada, many native English speakers, we say have got. Have got. So I have, it's the same meaning as I have got. I have got. It means I am the owner. I possess something. Something is my possession. For example, okay, this is a pen. So I can say, I have a pen. I have a pen. It's mine. I am the owner. But today, we don't want to use have. We want to use have got. So my sentence is, I have got a pen. I have got a pen. It is the same meaning. But let's make it more fluent, more like a native speaker. Native speakers, we want to make everything compact, shorter. So I have, please change to I've. I've. So next we've got I've got a pen. I've got a pen. Next, let's make it even more compact. Let's make it shorter and more fluent. We are going to link words together. That means we're going to join the words together to sound more fluent, to speak faster. So I've got a pen. I've got a pen. So got and a. Got and a. Let's join it together. Gotta. Okay. Got a. We join it together. Gotta. I gotta. All right. So I've got a pen. I've got a pen. Okay. Let's look at another example. All right. So here I would say, I've got a cell phone. I've got a cell phone. Now, if we join it together, I've got a, gotta. I've got a cell phone. I've got a cell phone. Now, we can also make a negative sentence. A negative sentence. That means I use not. For example, this is a pen. So I could say, I don't have a pencil. I don't have a pencil. But today's lesson, we are using have got. So the negative is, I haven't got a pencil. I haven't got a pencil. So remember, we join the got and the a together. I haven't got a pencil. So remember, whenever you have got and then a together, try to join them to link the two words together. Okay, so let's look at the pattern here. How do we make the sentences? It is very important that our subject and our verb are matching. So let's follow these two patterns. If my subject is I, you, we, they, then next we do have got. If my subject is she, he, it, then it's has and got. Now remember, the got never changes. The got will always stay the same. So we will change the have verb depending on the subject. The last thing to mention about have got is a little bit more casual, but I think in America and Canada, it is more commonly used. You sound more fluent. Two things you have to be careful about with have got. Have got is only used in the present tense. We can't use past tense or the future or any other verb tense, only the present tense. If you want to make a past sentence or a future sentence or maybe a present continuous ing sentence, then you must use have. But if it's present tense, have got is very, very common. And number two, please be careful. We don't use have got when we talk about meals. For example, breakfast, lunch, dinner. We don't use have got for drinks or a bath, a shower, or an argument. In these situations, we always use have. Have a bath, have a shower, have an argument, have lunch. So in this situation, have is an action verb. It doesn't mean possession. It doesn't mean I am the owner. So in this situation, we can't use have got. Have got is only talking about possession. This is mine. I've got a pen. I've got a hat. I've got a hoodie. It's mine. I'm the owner. I possess it. If it's an action verb, we don't use have got. Okay, so this is a great time for me to ask you, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. Okay, let's move to the speaking part of this lesson. This is the active part where you can make have got sentences. So in every situation, I am going to put a picture or some information on the screen. Please look at the picture and make a sentence using have got. For example, if you look at the screen, we have a picture of a pen or a pen. And I want you to make a sentence using a pen. And the subject is I. So I plus the pen. What is your sentence? I've got a pen. I've got a pen. Okay, so now that you know how to do it, the next 5 is your chance. Please look at the screen and make a sentence. Also, I really want you to make sure that you try to join the words together. So if you have got and if you have a, join it together. It's gotta. I've got a pen. All right, situation number 1, please look at the screen. The subject is I, and we have this picture. What is your sentence? All right, my sentence here is I've got a computer. I've got a computer. Situation number 2. Please look at the screen. We have she plus a picture. Please make a sentence using have got. All right, my sentence is she's got a car. She's got a car. So in this situation, she has, we join it together, she's. Got a, we join it together, gotta. She's got a car. Situation number 3, please look at the photo. We've got he plus a picture. Please make a sentence. Okay, my answer for this is he's got a dog. He's got a dog. So again, he has becomes he's. Got a, gotta. He's got a dog. What about you? Have you got a dog? If you do, tell me down below. I love dogs. So if you do have a dog, let me know what kind of dog you have. All right, situation number 4. Situation number 4, we've got the subject is I, and we've got a picture, but we've got an X through it. This means I want you to make a negative sentence, a negative sentence. So, what is your sentence? My answer is, I haven't got a bicycle. I haven't got a bicycle. And situation number 5. Please look at the screen. We've got he and a picture. Please make a sentence. All right, my answer here is he's got a fever. He's got a fever. Okay, so how did you do? Were you able to make 5 sentences using have got? If you had a different answer, or if you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will check all your answers and I will answer all of your questions. Now, this is a very useful lesson to sound more like a native speaker. So we often use have got instead of have. So please try it in your speaking. And if you liked this lesson, if you think it's useful, please subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. I'm always posting videos, so subscribing and liking and hitting the notification bell will really help my channel. So until the next time, see ya. Thank you very much for watching today's lesson. Today we practice have got. This one verb will change the way you speak and you will sound more fluent. If you like today's lesson, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. Until the next time, see ya.